student, today I am going to explain you the basic concept of your mathematics, which is identity, because most of the student get structured down to on explaining that, and most of the student get structured down also to solving the questions. So I classify the identity in two part. First is squaric and second is cubic. So how can we classify, or how can we check the which identities actually work on the given question? So here we have the 5 squaric identities and here we have the 5 cubic identities. So let's explain. If there is a squaric identity, then highest power will be 2. But if there is a question which having the highest degree 3, that means the questions is based on the cubic identities. So I'm explaining the squaring, and after that I will explain the cubic identities. Here we have the squaric identities. So as I say, the squaring identity having the highest power 2. If the highest power will be 3, then it goes through the cubic identity. So we have the first identity, a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means when we multiply a plus b 2 times, then we get a plus b whole square. For example, we have 2 whole square means 2 whole square. What it mean? It mean when 2 multiply 2 in 2 time, when 2 multiply with 2 in 2 time, then we can say that we have the 2 whole square 2. Similarly, here we have a plus b whole square, which mean when we multiply a plus b to a plus b, then we get a plus b whole square. So on multiplying that, we get this solution, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is the actual explanation of these identities. So we can say that a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab, or sometimes you can say that a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here we see when we square 2 term and we get the total number of term is 3. Here we have the next identity, a minus b whole square means when a minus b multiplied with a minus b, then we get a minus b whole square. So on multiplying that, a multiply with a minus b and then minus b multiplied with a minus b. On solving that, we get a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the actual explanation of this identity. It means we have a square plus b square minus 2ab, or sometime we can also say that say that a square minus 2ab plus b square. So they both identity depend on the squaric identity. Now we have one more, a square minus b square. Now just make a difference in both identities. Here the squaric term is all over, means it is entire. It is called a minus b whole square. But in this we have the whole square in individual term, means a square minus b square. And this is expanded in this form, a minus b, a plus b. Or sometimes it is also written in that form. When a plus b term multiply with a minus b, then we get a square minus b square. So on solving that, we get a under the bracket a plus b, then minus b. We expand this and then minus b multiply with a plus b. On solving that, we get a square minus b square. So when a plus b multiplied with a minus b, this we get a square minus b square. Now one more identity, we have a square plus b square. There is no explanation of these identities because we get this form, a square minus b square, not in this form, a square plus b square. This is the wrong identity. This is not actual wrong identity. This identity is based on the higher concept. So I will discuss it later. After that, we have a plus b whole square. Now we have total term 3. So we get the total term 6. So on expanding that, we get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. How? A plus b plus c whole square means when we multiplied a plus b plus c to a plus b plus c. So on multiplying that, on solving that, we get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2ac and plus 2bc. These are the basic identity which is based on the squaring. So we have total 5 identities which is based on the squaring concept, a square minus b square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. There is no explanation of this identity, and then a plus b plus c whole square. So we can say that we have the 5 squaric identities.